Okay, we got three different solutions here, solution A, B, and C. And we're going to take a look at how they react with litmus paper. Now, litmus paper is just basically paper that can either turn red or it can turn blue. It's the exact same paper. It's just one has been treated with an acid and one has been treated with a base, and the litmus will change color depending on whether or not it interacts with an acid or a base. So let's take a look at the first solution. I'm going to dip a little bit of the red litmus paper, and you can see that it's turned blue. Now that tells me that litmus turns blue in this solution. So let's try the blue litmus paper. And when I dip it in, it stays blue. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. The blue stayed blue and the red turned blue. We're going to do the exact same thing for the second solution. We're going to dip the blue litmus paper into the second solution. It turned red. So that tells me that probably the red is going to stay red, because litmus paper likes to turn red in this solution. And then we're going to do the same thing for the third solution. I'm going to dip the red into the solution and it stayed red. I'll dip the blue into the solution. It also stayed blue. So what does that mean? So solution A, the red litmus paper turned blue and the blue stayed blue. Well, that makes sense because it's all litmus. Right? So if the red turned blue, then the blue was going to turn blue as well. It was already blue to begin with. So that tells me that solution A is a base. Solution B, the blue turned red. So that tells me that the litmus paper was going to turn red. That must mean that it's an acid. And then solution C, the red stayed red and the blue stayed blue. And that tells me that it's neutral. So it's going to have a pH of approximately 7. So the first solution was a base, a pH above 7. The second solution was an acid, a pH below 7. And then the third solution was a neutral. It had a pH of approximately 7.